Also keeping our eyes on the tropics. Hurricane Jose, Tropical Storm Maria, and Tropical Storm Lee. Jose likely to head to the north, could affect New England, and Lee will likely fizzle out. But I do want to focus in on Tropical Storm Maria. That's expected to become a major hurricane as it plows through the islands, areas that are still recovering from Irma, unfortunately. And from there, it will head towards the island of Hispaniola. Once it gets beyond this point, most of the forecast models start to turn this to the north, but it's certainly something we'll continue to keep our eyes on.